Do you have a love-hate relationship with avocados? You love to eat them. You love to put them on sandwiches. You love to make guacamole. You love to have them with your eggs, but they go bad on you too quickly. Today I'm going to show you one method that seems to work to preserve those avocados so that you can have them when you're ready, not just when they're ready. One method you don't want to use to preserve your avocados, and that's the one that's been taking the internet by storm, that recommends putting your avocados whole into a pitcher of water and storing it in the refrigerator that way. The FDA did a study of avocados in 2014 and found the prevalence of Listeria on the surface of the avocado to be over 17%. And that within the avocado, there is a small occasion of salmonella that can be found. So you do want to make sure that you're washing the outside of your avocado, for one, and that storing it in the water in the refrigerator may cause the bacteria to replicate and really make your avocados unsafe to eat. So I wouldn't recommend that. I'll include a link to the FDA study below so that you can read that for yourself and check that out and feel comfortable with that information. This avocado is one that I bought 1 week ago today. I left it on my counter for 3 days, and then I put it into the refrigerator just whole like this, all by itself, not in any water. And we're going to cut it open today. So this is a week-old avocado that would normally be past its prime. And we're going to see how it has held up. Here we go. You can see this avocado is beautiful. It's not mushy. It had firmness as I cut through it. It's going to be perfect to eat. So the method that I do recommend when you're trying to preserve your avocados is to wash the outside of them, place them in your refrigerator, and then when you're ready to eat them, they'll be perfect. Wait before you put them in until they're just squeezable a little bit on the outside. Then you'll be ready to go. You'll be really happy with your avocados.